Hi, I'm Scott Young. Here we are at 313 Thelma Drive in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. This is on the Rutherford County side of Bell Buckle, about halfway in between Murfreesboro and Shelbyville. This house is exactly 15 miles from exit 81 in Murfreesboro, probably about the same from Shelbyville. It's in the Sanders Ridge subdivision. All the houses in this subdivision, are big houses. They have big yards. This house is on a dead-end street. This house is about 2,100 square feet, 5 bedroom, 2 bath on 1.3 acres. This house is a house of many unfinished projects. The bones are good, it's very livable, but the previous owner started a lot of projects and then had to leave pretty abruptly. He was offered a job in another state and had to go quick. So the flooring's out. There's a hodgepodge of light fixtures and plumbing fixtures all work. Just depends on your taste. This house has a fireplace, vaulted ceilings. Immediately to your left is a study. You have a little foyer here. Living room, the fireplace. One of the unfinished projects of this house is the guy had this big arched door, which is now the door to the master bedroom. So it's the biggest door I've ever seen in a bedroom. There's a big door, good sized room. Like I said, the floor is gone. View of the outside backyard. You have a double vanity in the master bath. You got a jacuzzi tub. You have a stand-up shower. You have your own little separate toilet area. And then you have a big walk-in closet. So it needs paint, it needs some shelving. Like I said, it is a project house. Outside, the deck runs the entire width of the house. I think it's approximately 52 feet long and 13 feet wide. Right here, take a picture of the back. Back in the living room, into the kitchen. Again, work in progress. Has a laundry room. Little storage nook. You've got a two-car garage. I think it's roughly 22 by 19. Down on the left side of the house, you have your hall bath. New tile, new vanity. Lacks a little bit of the tile on top to be finished. Next to that is bedroom number 2. This is probably 10 by 12 or so, has a double closet. And next is bedroom number 3. I believe the measurements of this is roughly 10 by 11. It also has a double closet. Up the stairs. I'm assuming this house was originally expandable. Has a big bonus room. Again, one of the many unfinished projects in this house. Has a storage area in the attic. I don't think it has a light fixture in there, but it's about half decked and half of it is not decked. You could finish decking that and have a lot of storage you can't see. But take my word for it. Then you got bedroom number 4 upstairs as well. Good size room. It's probably 10 by 10, maybe 12 by 12. Good view out of the front window. So, I know it's kind of a long video. This is 313 Thelma Drive in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. About 15 miles from Murfreesboro. About the same or maybe a little more to Shelbyville. Nice big yard, 1.3 acres. All the yards surrounded are the same size or maybe a little bigger. Great schools. I think it's Christiana Middle and Rockville Middle and High Schools, but need to double check that. But if you have any questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 615-578-6125. And I'll be glad to answer any questions or give you a tour. So I appreciate you taking your time. I know it's a long video and look forward to talking to you later. Thank you.